Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Delibia again. Just give me 1 minute pause. Let me enjoy this hair. You know, I promised myself to give you guys my best this 2018, to be very creative. I didn't see this anywhere. I just had to struggle and create something different that will make you stick to my channel and continue to follow me, and I cannot disappoint your subscription. Please, for those who haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe and welcome. And today's tutorial is about this look, cute updo that I created now. So if you're interested in knowing how I got the look, hey, stay tuned and let's get into the tutorial. So I did a part from ear to ear, and now I'll come at the front. I'll do a middle part. And I'll keep this section out. I'll secure this other part and start with the back. So I will just turn I'll separate the back into two. And I'll work with this one first. So what I'll do now is grab the entire hair, try to twist the ends, like this. And I'll go ahead and tuck it inside. Like this. I've decided to divide this part into two. Twist it. So I have something like this. I really don't know how it looks now, but I'll go inside my bathroom and then use the mirror behind and arrange it before I show you the final look. So in front here I'm doing something like a V section here. Like so. So you have something like this. So what I'm doing, I've removed this part because I thought of something else to do on it. First of all, I'll go ahead, grab my hair piece here, and put it like this. Then I'll twist the hair. When you're finished with that section, this is how it's going to look. I didn't see this anywhere. I'm just trying to create my own look, and I haven't done this style before, so I'm just playing with the hair until I get what I want, until I get what I want, and it looks good. I'll explain what I've done so far. Not all the time that I have to copy what others have created. I need to create my own. I might have to adjust the back when I check with another mirror behind, but for now I'm happy with the front look. So I'll just go ahead and show you the entire hair. So this is the final look, the side, the front. No one is going to see the middle of it because you will not be paying for people to look the middle of your hair. So the style is like this, so it's smooth from outside and the other side. The back, I'll arrange the back if it's not the way I want it. I can't see now. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe. And for those who have subscribed recently to my channel, thank you very much. I appreciate, and I will